Okay, so here's another technology video for the class. Again, I want to thank you, Darcy, for allowing me to do this late. It's so nice to have such a great community at Fort Hays to work with here. Wonderful, super wonderful people. So, okay, so this one's called Be Funky, and it's a free online, cheap version, I guess, of Photoshop. So our students can use these. We're one to one with Chromebooks at our high school, so students can use their pictures from their Google Drive. Once they get them there, they can use them and bring them in, and they can edit and play with the pictures. Although it is very limited, with of course without having to pay for it. Of course, most students can't really pay for that in the school. Of course, is certainly not going to do that. So you can crop, of course, you can crop it portrait wise and landscape. Just go in and grab the corners, pinch it down. Right here, this is really handy for me because this is the rule of thirds bracket, I guess, for without a better word. Students can crop this and see what the rule of thirds are, uh, and they're able to use that and get a good crop with their photograph. So once you apply it, you can go in and you can do so much work. You can cut out around it. I'm not very good with this, but as you can see, you can cut out the background, see what you come up with. Of course, you can make it bigger and smaller right here. Brush size, of course, is you can really get small, get in there, and get quite creative if you so desire with that. So, Be Funky is a good technology for us to be able to use in the classroom. I did use it briefly this year with students, but I have like 80 students in photo imaging in 5 different classes. Technology, as far as cameras and computers, it's very limited with only 10 computers and 14 cameras. If you guys understand, trying to get projects done and other things done in class is extremely challenging with that many students and that little of equipment and availability. So, all right, this is Be Funky. Thank you.